Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's silver. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set to all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Aluminum trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has 27,929 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.